Hello everyone and welcome back to VR. Today we're going to be playing Tierland. And today I'm going to be tiering curse foods. Since I do like food a lot, I thought this would be suitable. And of course we start off with green eggs and ham. With noodles, red noodles. Uh, hmm. It's I'm gonna put that in D tier. I just don't like the green color to it. Pizza. Oh. Ooh. What kind of pizza is it? Mm, I couldn't imagine this tasting very good, actually. Pizza with fruity pebbles. Yeah, I can go D or tier. D tier as well. Next one. But Oreo and Spam Burger? The hell are they doing in China? Okay, minus the Oreos, I'd say C, maybe even B tier. But with the Oreos, I'm gonna have to go with D again. I'd probably eat it. I wouldn't care to though. I mean, looks normal, I guess. Mm, doesn't look exactly appetizing. Okay, what's the cursed part about it? It looks like meat with peppers. Um, I'll go C tier because it looks relatively normal. I like those. And what? Is that an egg salad sandwich, but the eggs are dyed blue? Why? Okay, I do like a good egg salad sandwich. So if it tastes like an egg salad sandwich, I would enjoy it, even if it does stain my teeth with a little bit of blue. So I'll put that in C tier. Yeah. What is that? Is that freaking blueberries on a pizza? Pineapple's one thing, but then you put blueberries on it? Oh, that's. I would put that in D. That's not right. Huh? Chips surrounded by a single block of cheese. You couldn't even bother to grate the cheese, really. You're so lazy, you couldn't even bother to grate the cheese. You know what? For laziness, I'm putting this in F tier for failure. Because like, come on, man. Seriously. What? Is that just a taco shell with only the tomato sauce in it? I mean, it's a taco shell, so it won't taste bad. Just would like to have things in it. I'm gonna put it in F tier. Like, come on, put something in that. Like, seriously, man. Seriously. Mmm. Guacamole. S tier for sure. Who doesn't like a good bowl of guacamole? Okay, yeah, you're going in F tier. No comment, just like in F tier, please. Mmm. Who goes to Starbucks to order a cup of water with whipped cream? Mmm. Yeah, I don't see that being tasty. That's going in F tier. No. Why would someone willingly make that? Anyways, what's wrong with this? Looks like just a plate of fries and some chicken. I don't see anything cursed about it. Looks pretty bussin'. Yeah, I don't see anything wrong with it. S tier. That's not cursed. That's just good food. Okay, now we're going into the cursed. Okay. It is cake with asparagus, cucumber, and shrimp. What kind of cake is it? I'm between F or D. Let me take away the shrimp and asparagus, and it probably would be an okay cake. So let's just put it in D for now. Got a lot of D's. What is with the pizza and putting the things you shouldn't put? Why? Who would put? Okay, hear me out. I do like pineapple on pizza, and kiwi is sour, so maybe it would be similar to a pineapple pizza. And if so, I'd put that in C. Might not be too bad. Okay, yeah, you're going in F. Not even gonna think about it. Just like, you know, who puts salsa on cookies? Okay, this just looks like plastic. It doesn't even look real. Looks like someone melted a Hot Wheels car, threw it on some plastic blue pasta, and called it a day. Okay, I like pasta. I'm sure it tastes like pasta, even though it doesn't look like it. So if it tastes like it, I'll put it in C. Could use some Parmesan, but it should probably won't be bad. Okay, this just goes with the nachos. It's just lazy. Like, you couldn't even cut up the lettuce. Like, what, you just, like, dip it into the sauce and just eat it like that? It's going to F tier, man. Please cut it up. Come on. It's not that hard. Rice turkey? I don't know what we'd call it. Crisp turkey? That's a crispy turkey, yeah. Rice crispy turkey. Stuffed with M&Ms. Okay, as it looks cursed, but really it's just like Rice Krispies with M&Ms, and neither of them are necessarily bad tasting. So I'll put in C tier. I'm not a huge fan of Rice Krispies, but I mean, it won't taste bad. S tier for cuteness. That's not even cursed, that's just cute. It's a ratamuffin. A ratamuffin, yeah. You're going F tier. No. No, not F. S. S tier. Why did I say F? What the hell? Who let someone's baby just puke all over my pizza? What is this? Is it applesauce? Okay, I don't fear what this is. I'm putting this in F because I don't trust it. I don't trust whatever that is. What? Who willingly puts chocolate with ramen? I'll put it in D tier, I guess. Like, could it be worse than any of the Fs? I don't know. But still, that's pretty bad. The hell? Oh. Mac and cheese with anchovies. Okay, personally, I don't like my mac and cheese staring at me. So that will bring it down some points. But I have tried anchovies, and they're not bad, so C tier compared to other things that wouldn't taste bad. As if we need more COVID. Why would you boil the meat? Who wants boiled meat? Oh, let's go in an F tier, man. Did you even season it at least? No, I'm good. Okay, at this point, why do you even bother making cakes? Like, It's just good enough tier. I don't even want to. I don't even want to talk about it. Again with the pizza. Why are people messing up pizza? What the hell is on this one? Looks like someone had a crime scene on my pizza. What is this? Raspberries? Strawberries? Pomegranate? Either of those don't sound good. Let's put it in D, I guess. Okay. What's wrong with this? Looks like a bowl of yogurt. Wait. Is that popcorn? Who mixes yogurt with the yogurt's gonna make the popcorn soggy? Who the hell wants soggy popcorn? The popcorn does nothing to it. If anything, it might make it a tad make the yogurt a tad salty or buttery, but in that count, go away. Just no, please, why? Okay, what? Oh, I also thought it was leftover meatloaf. That's banana bread. Okay, but that's banana bread. What's that red stuff? Wait, is it the plastic stuff on the... Is that? It looks kind of similar. Okay, I'm going to assume whoever made this made that. Well, I mean, it's banana bread. It would taste good. I don't know what the sauce would be about, but ignoring the sauce, I'll put it in C. Actually, no, banana bread is... I'll put banana bread in B for banana. Come here. Change my mind. There, this is more suiting of banana bread. There we go. The recipe said 2 eggs, but that didn't seem like enough to cover the whole cake, so I improved. I won't say improved, but why? How? Why and how? Alright, okay, so it looks like the eggs are seasoned. And although I don't want my eggs in a block form, I'm sure they would still taste like eggs. So I'll put this in C for something, I don't... It's just eggs. It shouldn't be that bad. What's with ramen and chocolate? No, you're going to F. Like that one I can excuse, kind of. No, I can't. They're both bad. Huh? Soup on the rocks. Okay, so if it was a glass of warm broth, I wouldn't mind, because, you know, it won't be broth. Okay, either way, no. Never mind, either way is bad. Like, who the hell wants cold soup? Just no. There's a lot of lazy people. First, the person doesn't even bother grating the cheese. Then you got the person that doesn't even cut the salad. And now the person that doesn't even take the paper off of the frickin' burger. Like, why is humanity getting more lazy and lazy? I'm putting the D tier because like, it's still a burger. Just a little more paper than I'm used to, but it's still a burger. Okay, is that chicken even cooked? No, this is not how you keep a man. If anything, this is how you make a man run away as fast as possible. It's freaking... It's F tier. It's not even cooked chicken. It's just raw. It's F tier. It's going to give me freaking salamala. Again with the freaking pizza. Pineapple and non-pineapple pizza eaters gotta put our differences aside and defeat this. I agree. Like, pineapple's one thing. Like, I think everyone could agree that this is just an abomination. So, because of that, it's going F. Bye. I have F's. Haven't found any A's yet. Pork brat patties. What? Bear? No, it says pork. Pork brat patties. Bears? What? Okay, is it pork or bears? Pork S tier. Bear, I won't know. I'm just gonna put it in F tier because I'm scared. What? Oh my god. Why is it all just cursed items on pizza? Why is it grape? Okay. It might not be too bad. It looks kind of good. Not gonna lie. So because of that, I'll put that in C tier. But I'm not happy about it. What? The hell am I looking at? Monster with what? I don't even know what those are. Are those pills? Dude overdosing on monster and pills? I'm putting that F. I had monster once, it was way too sweet for me, so I doubt that would be any better. Laziest garlic fries ever. That was pretty lazy. Again, with the lazy food, like, come on. At least the garlic's kind of cooked. Something. I'll put in D tier, but that's only because the garlic is cooked. If it was uncooked, it'd be an F tier. Yeah, you're going in F tier. I'm not having any of that. That is the darkest croissant I've ever seen. The question is, would the inside be good? C tier for croissant. Let's just do that. Alright. I mean, hey, at least they gave you extra cheese, so. I mean, it's a win. That's a plastic cheese, though. Doesn't really taste good. You know what? C for cheese. Okay, I mean, it's just ramen inside of a burrito. So probably wouldn't be that bad. Put in B for burrito. Snickless? Snickless. It's just a candy bar with Skittles. It won't taste that bad. I'll put an A tier. Our first A tier. There you go. What? Obviously this is going F tier. It looks like the lid just melted into, what is it, corns and peas? Yeah, you eating that, you're going to the hospital. This is going F tier. It's not worth eating. Why do people even bother making realistic cakes? Especially faces. Come on, this is just a nightmare. Okay. Looks aside, I'm sure it's a delicious cake. So, for taste-wise, I'll put it in C. Because the looks, F. Taste, that is one crunchy sandwich. The crab better be dead at least. Okay, well, honestly, even if I wanted to, I probably wouldn't be able to sink my teeth into that, because it's a hard crab on a sandwich. So, oh wow, it's going off the board. Huh. What the hell? What's with the blueberries and pizza again? Is that extra pepperoni, or is that freaking strawberries? I'm scared. Okay, if that's extra pepperoni, On pizza? That's S tier. Without the blueberries. Ignoring the blueberries. Extra pepperoni. S. Olive Joy. Yet. Oh, some thunder. Sheesh, it scared me. Anyways. Olive Joy, but it gives me no joy whatsoever, so. Oh, it has coconut. No. I love coconut, but the olive destroys that. Huh? Oh, it's a cheesecake. Okay. I get what you're trying to put down. Maybe. It's still. It's cheese, so. Nothing wrong with some good cheese, so C tier. What? Best hot dog ever. Ale pork brand cheese dog wrapped in the skin from an Atlantic salmon fillet. Super tasty. Okay, fish skin is very tasty, especially if you crisp it up. So, puts it on a hot dog. Probably won't that be that bad. So, oh well, yeah, let's see. C tier. 12 more. I've heard of this before. Watched a video of someone eating it, and they said it didn't taste good. So I'm going to assume they're correct to put that in F tier. Knowing I'm not going to be eating Sonic curry today. Why? Why is it? Why all of these pizza? Why is there so much cursed pizza? Okay. Well, I guess you could scoop out the lobster because it looks cooked. So scoop out the lobster meat, put it on the pizza. I mean, it would be more work for the people eating it, but it could be done. So I'll put in that B pizza. What? Nope. B tier. Breakfast pizzas. Okay, what do you got on this pizza? You got anchovies, you got an egg, you got banana. I want this at the end, please. I'm getting tired. It's hot in my room. It's so much pizza. I'm just gonna put you in F tier. Come on, 9 more. I can do this. Somehow this is worse than the cakes. That's going to F. That's just. I'd rather the cakes. It's a watermelon? On a grill? Grilled watermelon. I've seen it done. And people seem to eat it without barfing, so it might not be too bad. So, without even trying it and just assuming, I'll put this in E tier. Okay, what am I looking at? Looks like a leprechaun pooped right on my, what is that, chicken nuggets? Okay, I don't know what this is, so I'm going to put it in F tier, because I would like to know what I'm putting in my mouth before I put it in there. If you do this when you're delivering or Uber Eats, you're definitely going to a very special place. And that place is not heaven. F tier. Actually, you know what? Just kidding. Doesn't even deserve to be an F tier. Just, I don't even want to look at that. Ay. Why? There's no purpose. Just D tier, I guess. I guess I could just take the bread off of the apples. Whatever. People complaining about pineapple being on pizza. Okay, what about pizza being on pineapple? I'll put that in B tier. That's funny. What? That croissant with a not pizza. Why do I have pizza in my mind? Is that a croissant with a pickle? Croissant even doesn't even have color. That doesn't even look crispy. Okay. D tier, I guess. You need to get more color on that croissant. Yes, because, you know, cold clam chowder is... yeah, cold clam chowder soup is exactly what I want in life. That's F tier. Last one. Squeeze bacon. What? Okay, who the hell turned bacon into a condiment? Who in the right mind turns bacon into condiment? Actually, that's kind of a good idea. B tier for bacon. Hold on. I guess I have to put this into tier, so... There we go. And that is my completed tier list. A little bit off the board over there, but I mean, it's not my fault. They have so much either lazy or terrible foods. So, yeah. Yeah, that's my tier list. If I feel like it, I might make more videos on the other lists, but until then, I shall end the video. So, goodbye, everyone. Until next time.